everyone, I'm Mariela Sanabria here with Denver Water on East Colfax Avenue in Denver to tell you about the big pipe replacement job we have going on. We're replacing over 5 miles of water main, which is the big pipe that runs underground along Colfax between Broadway and Yosemite Street. This new water main will replace the old pipelines under the street that date back to the 1800s. Because of our coordination efforts with the City of Denver, we heard about the new Bus Rapid Transit Project, or BRT, planned to stretch off Colfax. Though the pipe in the area doesn't have a significant break history, we decided it was a good time to replace the old underground pipes before the BRT project started. We get a lot of questions about the impact this project will have on traffic and businesses. We typically work in 2-block increments between 8:30 a.m. and 8:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. On occasion, we'll have to work outside those hours or on weekends to minimize impacts to the community. For those traveling along the corridor, our traffic control typically requires us to have 2 lanes closed at a time to give our crews room to work. There will be 1 lane open in each direction, so please use caution when driving through the work zone. We want to remind everyone that businesses along East Colfax are open during construction. We understand that this is an inconvenience, but we do our best to move quickly and are typically in front of a business for a few days before we are on our way onto the next block. The goal of this project is to make sure there is reliable water in this area for years to come. We thank you for your continued patience. We estimate that Denver Water will wrap up the work by the end of 2024, with construction on the Bus Rapid Transit Project expected to follow. For more updates on our project, please visit denverwater.org/Colfax.